Hello guys, welcome to Foodie Hangout. Today we are making one of the most delicious and flavorful dishes. This is Dhaba style Chana Masala. Packed with bold spices and rich authentic flavors. This is exactly like what you get at your favorite Dhaba. And the best part, no ready-made Chana Masala needed, just simple spices and easy method. And you will get that perfect Dhaba style taste right in your kitchen. So let's get started. For this recipe, I have taken 250 grams of white chickpeas. I have washed them well and soaked them for 7 to 8 hours or overnight. As you can see, the chickpeas are well soaked and have nicely puffed up. Make sure to drain the water from the chickpeas before cooking them. Add the soaked chickpeas to a pressure cooker. Along with that, add a few old spices, that is 1 bay leaf, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 black cardamom and 3 to 4 cloves. Now add water. Make sure it is about 1 inch above the chickpeas. Add salt to taste. Add a pinch of baking soda. This helps the chickpeas cook well and become soft from the inside. Close the pressure cooker and cook for 2 to 3 whistles or cook the chickpeas until they become soft. Then turn off the stove and let the pressure release naturally. Now we can open the pressure cooker lid and check. The chickpeas are perfectly cooked. Now remove the whole spices as they have released their flavor. As you can see, the chickpeas have cooked well and become soft. Now keep the cooked chickpeas aside. Now let's make a simple masala paste. Add 3 roughly chopped tomatoes to the mixer jar, 8 to 9 garlic cloves, 2-inch chopped ginger and 2 chopped green chilies. Now grind it into a nice fine paste and keep it aside. Now to make the chana masala, to a nice white kadai, add about 2 tablespoons of ghee. Along with that, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Now add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 pinch of carom seeds, that is ajwain, 1/4 teaspoon of hing, and add 2 finely chopped onions. Saute the onions till they are a nice golden brown color. Keep the flame on low. Now we are going to add all the spice powders, starting with half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 2 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon spicy red chili powder and 1 teaspoon amchur powder. Saute everything well. Next add a teaspoon of salt. Mix everything till it's all well combined. Now add some hot water so that we can roast the spices properly and the spices don't burn. Roast the spices well until the ghee separates. You can see that the spices have been roasted properly. The ghee has separated. At this stage, add the ground masala paste and mix everything together until the consistency of the gravy becomes slightly thick. Roast it properly at least 10 to 15 minutes on medium flame. The color turns slightly darker and the ghee started to separate again. You can see the texture, it has become grainy. At this stage, add the boiled chickpeas and mix everything together. Now its consistency is very thin. Chana masala it's little thick in dhaba. So I'm going to cook it for 7 to 8 minutes on high flame so that it becomes a little thicker. You can see that after cooking for 7 to 8 minutes, its consistency has become like this. If you want to make it a little thicker, just lightly smash some boiled chickpeas like this. This will make your gravy thick quickly. The consistency has become perfect now. At this point, check for seasoning and adjust the salt according to your taste. Now I am going to add few ingredients to finish this off. Add about 1 tablespoon of crushed kasuri methi. Also add some ginger slices to it. 2 finely chopped green chilies. And handful of fresh finely chopped coriander leaves. Mix everything well. You can see the chana masala is coming together beautifully. Now turn off the stove and add a pinch of garam masala powder. It gives a wonderful aroma. And that's it. Our delicious Dhaba style chana masala is ready to be served nice and hot. So finally I'm just garnish it with some juliennes of ginger and some chopped coriander leaves. So enjoy this delicious Dhaba style chana masala with puri, rotis, chapatis and or even with some chawal, that is rice. It's a wonderful combination and it's must try with puris. It's so different from the usual chana masala that we make. So do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. Also follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more tasty updates.